Okay, and welcome back again to Fully Theoretical. We're going to do a couple practice problems here. We're going to start with, and I should say we're still working on polynomial division in Algebra 2. And we're looking at dividing quadratics by linear expressions. We're going to do one from no remainders and one with remainders. So let's jump into it here. X squared plus 7x plus 10 over x plus 2. Yeah. Okay, and just make sure that I wrote that down correctly. It's nothing worse than doing the work on the wrong problem. So x plus 2, okay, yep. And then, here we go. X, why does it keep, oh, it's my pen. That's what's going on. All right, let's try this one more time. X squared plus 7x plus 10. X squared plus 7x. How do I manage to make such obvious mistakes? Every single video. All right, so that is a 10. Okay. All right, and we discovered for these longer ones, it only really makes sense to use the long division. So x plus 2. We're going to actually do that a little bit lower. Give myself a little bit of room. So x goes into x squared, x times. So we put the x over here because the term up here has to go above the matching term. So this has to be the same term as this when you're setting this up. So x times x plus 2 . This is the part that, well, this is all going to be positive, so it's not really an issue. But the thing that always trips me up when I do long division is just tracking all of the signs, so the positives and the minuses. But in this case, it's pretty straightforward. So that's 0, obviously, and then this is 5x. So now we drop the 10. And now x plus 2 goes into 5x 5 times. So positive 5 times. 5 times x plus 2, 10. And there is no remainder. So this, where x does not equal negative 2, because if it did, this expression would not make any sense. All right, so let's check the answer here. So we put in, what was it? X plus 5. Minus 2 over x plus 2. Let's make sure that's the form they're looking for here. X plus 5, 2 over x plus 5. We got negative 2. This is not part of it. That's not it. So it's just x plus 5, no remainder. See, I almost messed myself up. That's not part of it. It's just that. All right. Okay, now let's go ahead and do one with a remainder. So this one actually will have a remainder. So x squared minus 2x minus 8. Where's, oh, here it is. So we'll go new layer. Was it plus or minus? Minus 8. Minus 2x minus 8 x plus 1. So over x plus 1, same thing. Best to use long division. Goes in x times, but the x goes there. And here is a good example of where tracking your sign is really important. So that's 0 here. So we have 2x minus x is minus 3x. Drop the 8. Now, x goes in negative 3 times. Negative 3 times that is that's 0. So 8 minus negative 3 is plus 3. So that is minus 5, which is the remainder. Okay, so x minus 3 r equals negative 5. X does not equal negative 1 because of that right there. So that is the answer. To put it in the form that they want, because you can see they want it an expression plus a fraction. So that means this is not the correct format. So the correct format is going to be, we're going to use blue. It's going to be like this. X minus 3. And then the remainder is negative 5, so minus 5 over x plus 1. So that is the actual thing that we're going to enter in. X minus 3 minus 5 over x plus 1. And we got it right. Cool. Well, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.